at My Son Sanctuary. It's a bit of a drive from Da Nang to here, but we figured since we don't really have anything to do in Da Nang, we might as well do this. But yeah, it's like a UNESCO heritage site. We're just gonna wander around. We ended up coming here because people we ran into in Hanoi, in Hoi An, had gone to Bon Hills, and they said it was kind of expensive. And when we looked it up, it is expensive, and we felt like it was too much money to just see the hand bridge, because there's like an amusement park at the top as well, and it's just not worth it because you can't get just the pass for the bridge. You have to buy a ticket for the cable car, and you have access to like the amusement park at the top, but apparently the amusement park is more towards like children, and so we felt it wasn't really necessary to spend like the $30 total, $30 each or something for that cable car. So we audibled, came here to My Son. So far it's pretty cool. I mean, these rocks and stuff are from like 7th century to like the 13th century, which is pretty old. I got reprimanded because I was standing on a thing. Whoops. I don't know, but the guy yelled at me, so. You know what they say, complacency is the downfall of man. Yeah, I read it in a book once.
Well, now you're lying.
What? Bro, he's like slimy. He's actually really sick.
He's different than the other ginks.
He's like gold. Yeah, kind of cool.
Remember he's a gink, yeah?
You're a gink. You do not strike me as a Gucci Mane fan.
And one of my favorite things about Gucci Mane.
Gucci? Is when he says Gucci?
No, is
Bro, these things look like where the wild things are. I told you, I've read a book or two, pal.
I think that one's read to me, to be fair.
I mean, it is a children's book, so.
I'm just saying, 'cause I think you read one that I didn't.
You. It's also a movie now. Never.
Have you seen it? Is it
No,
good?
no idea. Don't know if it's good or not. Yeah, so you can just like walk around, and there's like different compounds of each of the little temple things, and you can walk around. It's really cool. The handiwork is like next level, especially from way back in the day. Detail is also kind of crazy. We kind of lucked out with this weather. Crazy because the forecast looked like it was gonna rain the entire time we were gonna be in Da Nang. But I mean, clearly it's been sunny, real hot. Yeah. Now we are going to be headed back to Da Nang, and we'll probably mess around on the beach because the beach is like right next to our hotel. So yeah. She's at the same beach as us, so he went to go introduce himself. Nah, they know supposed to rooms if anything happens. I'm staying in my room. Nothing? No dance moves? It's like a little military. That's how they stay fit. We got back to the room after hanging out, throwing on the beach. Yeah, a lot of fun. Especially the game we just played at the end where we throwed up and then it comes back, and whoever tries to sky the other to win. A lot of fun. Probably gonna go eat because we haven't eaten all day, but day one and Danae has been sick, and hopefully the weather stays good for tomorrow.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me on.
This place is packed. So full. Holy.
I think it says 2-piece, 1-piece. This says 2 yen or 1 yen. And this one's 2-piece, 1-piece based on the price.
Yeah.
Because they both come with
Yeah, she knew we were recording, so she brought us a menu in English. Chicken Joy, chili chicken. You gotta see the pictures, pal.
Yeah, but here's just the chicken.
I know, but you gotta see the pictures, buddy.
You can't just order based on.
No, but you gotta look at what you're gonna get.
I know I'm gonna get chicken.
I
chili
know.
chicken. That's what I thought.
You're gonna get chili chicken?
I was saying I thought B was like a spicy chicken.
Oh,
I
yeah.
might do one of each.
One of each, yeah. Might be the move. Bro, look at this. 5 dong for vanilla ice cream?
Oh,
That's
heck
crazy.
Yes, we were getting that.
That is crazy. Peach mango pie.
We've been craving ice cream this whole time. At least I have.
We're about to spend a fortune here.
The last one. Yeah.
Don't need ice cream first.
Yeah, no,
Got
we
it.
got priorities. Okay, first
Yeah.
we get the chicken, then we get the Cokes, then we get the ice cream.
That's right. Okay, so what do we got? 6 chicken joys,
6 chicken joys,
2
chili chicken.
chickens.
I'm gonna get a drink. Oh, we should get some fries. We gotta get fries.
Gotta get fries. I think
those barbecue fries.
yeah, those look actually kind of nice. Those ones right there. That should look kind of
Yeah,
good.
so we go with those.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that tea, the peach tea over there.
Okay.
This mango peach juice is probably what I'm gonna get.
Live a little, yeah. And then I'm just gonna get.
You know what? Do we go crazy and try the Jolly Dog?
I don't think so. I'm gonna hot dog for me today.
No dog for you.
No dog for me.
No dog for Dan.
I think I'll just do a soft drink.
Yeah, regular soft drink. Okay, cool. Guess we got our.
What flavor do you like?
Sheesh. Oh, those fries look kind of good. Those are your fries. No, it's my fries.
What do you mean your fries?
These fries are better. Or the barbecue ones. Good fries though. The fries are good. Come on. It's like Popeye.
You sort of like, he only has 2, there's only 2 of them, but there only 3 cones. But nah, I'm done with this and these, baby.
Come on.
This is how it should be. $7,000 with a dip cone. That's like 30 cents, 28 cents.
So, Jollibee, so good. The original I thought was a lot better than the chili chicken. And then the regular fries I thought was better than the barbecue fries. But overall, really good. Big fan. And now we stumbled upon an arcade. And Dane thinks he could beat me into shooting basketball. And I'm about to whoop his ass. Oh! Beat Dane in... I beat David Air Hockey in his fist. I beat him 3-2 fair and square. Both of his scores were own goals for mine.
Alright, team.
Kind of like none of
I just got 37. Let's see how many team can get. He's been talking a lot of ish. Let's see. Let's see. There's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, oh, 1, 2. So, team, what were the final scores? Oh, yeah?
22-37.
Yeah? I don't think it's a warm-up. I think you have no chance. You get it?